Hello friends, today we're going to be talking about agents in LangChain. So what are agents? Agents are ways that we can use LangChain to interact with the outside world. So remember, like these LLMs, they're kind of in their own little sandbox, trained on data from the internet up to I think September 2021, and we want them to be able to go out and do useful things for us. So agents are just a way for them to interact with external systems. They can interact with other chains and other agents even. It's pretty cool. So we're going to dive right into this, and we're going to show you how you can use this SERP API, basically just like searching the internet. That's what it is. I had no idea what SERP API was before LangChain, to be totally honest. But SERP API is one of these named tools that LangChain kind of comes with. There's a bunch of other named tools as well. There's like Google Search, Wolfram Alpha has one as well, and then there's a bunch of other tools that the framework is defined that we're not going to cover right now. You can even define your own tools. That we'll talk about that in a later video, but SERP API is a good one to get started with, and it's a very commonly used agent. So yeah, let's just get right into the damn thing here. First up, we're going to be using, we create our LLM right here with OpenAI. This tool, it's like where do the tools fit into the hierarchy of this whole thing? So you've got your chains, your agents, and your tools. Agents are going to use chains under the hood, and they use the tools to interact with outside systems. So you can see here, like when we initialize this agent with initialize agent, we're passing it an array of tools and a chain, as well as like, this is a default like zero-shot reaction description. Basically, it's just this just means give me the default chain, or no, sorry, give me a default agent. And verbose true just means it's going to print the standard output. It's chain of thought, which is pretty interesting. So yeah, that is what we're going to do. There's not really much to this intro video about agents. Give this a run. And so when we talk to the SERP API, it's going to go and just search the internet for whatever we query. It's able to understand this because we're using a large language model under the hood. It is pretty dope. So let's just wait for the weather. Like I said, there's not much to this whole freaking thing. So we can see entering new agent executor chain, and it thinks I should look up the current weather in Austin, Texas. Action, search. Action input, weather in Austin, Texas. Observation. So this is where that verbose equals true comes into play right over here. It's printing out to the console like, hey, this is what's going on under the hood. Then you can see it has the thought that, I know the current weather in Austin, yada, yada, yada. So it's pretty cool. And this is just like scratching the surface of what you can do with agents. There's a lot of other cool stuff being developed. There's a whole kind of push now to use agents and tools to work with tabular data like SQL, CSVs, Panda data frames. So it's, kind of rambling at this point, but subscribe. We'll be going over a lot of the other stuff in more videos soon. For now, bye.